Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a classic chest pie for you guys. Well, actually it's for somebody else, but you guys can come along with me as I make this chest pie. Let's get started. Let me pull this down for you so you can kind of follow along with what I'm doing. All right, see if that's, come on down a little bit. I think you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so first, I already had done one earlier this week. So I had some leftover in the refrigerator, but it wasn't enough to make another pie. So I am gonna make another pie. Sorry, I'm pushing this back so you can see better. So I'm gonna add to what I have here and make another pie. Make another pie. So first we're gonna start off. I left this butter out. This is unsalted butter, so I left this out half the day so I could get soft. So I'm gonna put this over in here. And I'm gonna put 1 cup of sugar, which I got some sugar already out right here. So I'm gonna put 1 cup of sugar in this measuring cup here. And that's a cup over in here. And I don't have my petals. Hold on for a second. Okay, I had to get my petals. Can't do anything without these. Okay, I'm gonna let that up and we're gonna let that cream for a little while. So I have an empty bowl here. So in the empty bowl, okay, I'm gonna whisk together some cornmeal, flour, that off to the side, this off to the side. Let's see the remaining sugar. Actually, I need to put 3/4 more sugar. Let's turn this off. I need to put 3/4 sugar wrong side over here. This pie has a lot of sugar. It's very sweet. It's very sweet. So we're gonna add in 3/4 sugar. And then we're gonna add in, put that to the side, 4 eggs. One at a time. Eggs to the side. So like that. So scrape your sides. Scrape the underside here. Make sure everything gets blended. And I always start by putting down some parchment paper. So I have parchment paper down. So it'll be easy clean up. Okay, milk. I'm gonna add milk to this. Vanilla extract, which I use some cornmeal. Got a subscription from Amazon. Put that to the side. And we're gonna whisk. So it's only just a little bit in here. So this is your flour, your sugar. Oh, you put the remaining sugar in this. So like I said, it's a lot of sugar. And then you whisk, and you whisk. And you wanna keep whisking and mixing this so all the little particles, like the little clumps of flour, cornmeal, this and this, and sugar, the clumps of sugar, all of that smooths out. It's an easy recipe. So once everything has smoothed out, basically you just take this mixture, let this down a little bit, and put it in with your other mix. Let it back up and incorporate. Okay, once everything has mixed and incorporated itself together, let's take this off. Like I said, got parchment paper here, catch all the messes. So this is what it looks like. You see in the bowl there. And what you do is cover it up. And this is just what I do with this particular recipe. Other people may do something differently. Remember, it's lots of different recipes. Cover this up and I put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours, or you can put it in the refrigerator overnight before you put it into your crust to start baking. So this is gonna go to the refrigerator, and then I'll come back to you later to continue the video once this is ready to go. See you later. Hey guys, I'm back. So this is a different day. I did decide to wait and let the mix sit overnight in the refrigerator since it was late already. But you can just let it sit for 2 hours and then go ahead and put it in a tray. I got these, I use these deep dish pie crust. If you want to make your own pie crust, that is your prerogative. I choose not to. Oh, my stove is ready. My stove is on warming up to 350 degrees, but yeah, I just use already made pie crust in the shell. And what I do is take a fork and just put impressions in it here. And it just helps with air bubbles when you're baking. So that is what I'm going to do all the way around. Okay. And then get a baking sheet. Put pie crust on a baking sheet. So if it, goes over or something, it won't be a mess in the oven. Okay. So just mix up, when you get it out of the refrigerator, mix it really good because it's separated by just sitting. And so you want to mix it up and get everything back consistent. Mix really good. Okay, that's what it looks like. All right. And then you're just gonna pour it over into your pie crust. And I pour mine all the way almost to the top. I still have some left. I always have some left over. And this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna put it over in the oven. So for 25 minutes at 350, put in the oven. And then it really depends on your oven. Some people, depending on your oven, after 25 minutes, you can put a sheet of Reynolds wrap on top and then bake for another 25 to 30 minutes. And that's to keep it from getting too dark on the top. But I usually don't have that problem. Mine doesn't get really that dark. So that's all for now in 25 minutes. And then again, 30 more minutes or 20 to 30 minutes, depending on when you shake it and it jiggles, then it's done. So it might be 20 minutes or 30 minutes after that initial 25 minutes. So anyway, I'll see you back when it's done. Hi guys, so I'm back. So I had the pie in the oven for 25 minutes. It was not dark at all, so I did not cover it. And just to clarify, when I said cover it with Reynolds wrap after 25 minutes, I mean with non-stick Reynolds wrap. If you cover it with Reynolds wrap and you pull it off, then your pie will be messed up. So non-stick Reynolds wrap. But I did not need to do that. As you can see, mine is nice and golden brown. And I didn't have to cover it. And then I let it cook for 25 more minutes. So this is the finished product. It is hot. So yeah. But I just want to make sure you see it. So this is a classic chest pie. This is for somebody, so I am not going to cut it. This is actually for a family member, so I'm not going to cut it. But thanks guys for watching. Until next time, see you later.